Welcome back to the Alaskan Sun's drywall reveal video part two. Timer started. I went ahead and finished up this room, and you can see I've got openings. I've got my furred walls, which are the blue walls. Is there a gap there? Oh no gap. Yeah, I have the furred walls, which are blue, and they're 1/2 inch thick, so I have my reveal there. I've got my casing around my doors, which is a 1/2 inch, or actually 5/8. And so you got that reveal, right? So why did I choose what I chose as far as a color for this wall? Because if I come back here and I want to edit this wall, wall type, define, now I want to define this really as drywall 5, and this as drywall 5, which is black. Okay. Now you're going to start seeing the real shadow effect, I think. See? See, now I got that real neat little shadow going on there. And I had that shadow line going on down here, too. And remember, I made this, that's interesting, the molding right there. Notice how that molding overlaps? Does it always overlap like that? Well, I don't know. It does in this case, doesn't it? Should I make this thing just a little bit the casing? I should make the casing 7/8. I should make the casing 1 inch. I don't know why I'm saying 1 inch, but I guess it's 1 inch. You make the casing 1 5/8, 1.25. So now the baseboard dies into that casing there. Now I've got that really neat detail going on, don't I? Because I think really what this is, it's a rivet. They had, I don't know what it's, a piece of metal. It's a metal stop for the drywall. So that's pretty cool, I think. Now if I just plan material drywall 2, which is more of a standard, or drywall 1, which is drywall 3, which is more of a standard color for drywall. Now I think we should get a really nice little detail there, which is what George was looking for. There it is. That's kind of cool, isn't it? And then I think what I would do is I'd probably just paint the base molding white. There you go. And paint this door the same color. That should be a door interior white, I think. And then, hold on. I'm getting. Oh shoot! Is that door interior white? Yeah, it's white. Perfect. So I really have a neat looking little detail there. Now I did. Okay. Anyway, that looks kind of cool, I think. Now let's see how easy it is to. Oh, and now I got to change. I should change my exterior walls to bump. You define this plan material drywall black. Right there. Okay. Now I'm going to get that reveal around that window there, and I'm going to get into something else in a second. There's your reveal. Let's take a look at it on the inside and see what it looks like. Shift J. Let's look at it like this, see if we can get some more stuff going on here. There it is. That's George's detail that he wanted. It's kind of cool. Now let's see how easy it is to repeat that from room to room. So all I do is I take this thing right here, Control C, Control V, stick it right there. Where'd it go? Control C, Control V, stick it right there. Yep, I got that thing right there. And that's going to be 6 foot 2 inches. 6 foot 2 inches wide, which is what, 74. Center it on this window here. slam that up against that wall there. Now I should have it on this wall here too, right? Not bad. Now I come over to here, pull this back. Hopefully I did that right. Oops. I didn't do it right. Hang on. Delete. What's going on here? I'm trying to see how easy it is to do. Pull this over like this. Should be the same wall, same height and everything. Pull it like this. That. Square it up a bit. Yep. Pull it over here. And back there. Now, I don't know. I think I have to put the doors and windows in before I slam it against the wall. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to pull this over to here. This gets pulled over to here. I need this gets pulled down like this. I need this door opening here. Tab, Control C. Control V, stick it right there. And here's the beauty part. It just center it. I thought I'd have to get in the elevation to center this thing, but I don't. I just have to just center it on that wall. Now I need this opening right over here. Tab, Control C. Stick that opening right there. Control V. Center that on this doorway here. Pull it back. Yeah. Pull it back like this. And you understand these openings are defined as no casing and all that other kind of stuff. You understand that. Okay. And now I need one more. I need that opening right there. Control C, Control V. And you might have to manually edit the height of these things because they don't necessarily correspond with the heights in the furred out walls don't necessarily respond with the heights of the openings in the regular wall. 9. Center it. And I'll show you that in a second. There. So now I've got it on this room. Now I've got it on that room too. I mean, obviously this takes a little bit of work. I think when I was trying to do it, I was trying to make it all automatic, and obviously I didn't do a very good job, or I couldn't figure out a way to do it. But there you go. Now there's George's reveal. Oh, this door here I got to fix this casing. Casing is only 1 inch wide, 0 and 1.25, I guess, 1.25 thick for whatever reason. There it is. Okay. That's pretty cool, I think. And you can really start getting really technical into this thing. And here's the next technical thing I want to get into. I really want that to be a black right there because I want to see the side of that rivet, right? I really want to see the side of that rivet, I think. I don't want to see, or do I want to see drywall? Suppose, let's just see, let's assume that I want to see the drywall. Control C, Control V. So I just created this wall here. Now I'm sort of fascinated with materials, exterior face, drywall 5. Okay, I think I'm doing this the hard way. Oh, let's see what happens. Yeah, check that. See, it's See the edge is black now, right? So if I come over to this wall here, say I take that wall there, U, and I give it I'm gonna guess the interior surface has to be black. DRY black. And let's see if I get black on the No, it's on the wrong face. Nope. In fact, I did it backwards. The exterior has to be drywall. 5. The exterior has to be drywall 5. And the interior has to be drywall, what, 1? Drywall 3. Now let's see what we got. There you go. I think. Yeah. See, now that you got it's the paint layer. Just you have a real fine. See that right there? Yeah, it's got, and you could have done this several ways. I think you could have put a paint layer on this, or you could have done what I just did, which is the material on there. So now you've got the rivulet. Well, you can see the difference on this door right here. Oh no, well, I gotta think about that. I did it per wall basis by doing the material. Let's see. Yep, you see that? The drywall, I can see the side of the drywall. But on this one over here, where is it? Drywall here, I don't have that. I don't see the drywall there. And I don't know which way you want to do it. I was just toying with that idea. Anyway, that's a pretty cool little method of doing it. Right? Well, I'll tell you what. How about if I Shift C? Drywall 3. How about this? Oh, drywall. Edit. I don't know what color I'm trying to get. Okay. And it depends upon what color you want that rivulet to be. So now I'm going to select my main walls, my main interior walls. Wall type, define, and instead of black, I want it to be drywall. Instead of black, I want it to be drywall. And this should give us another different look too, depending upon what you want, what color you want that rivulet to be. Maybe you like that better. And so now you just got to go here and fix. Well, I don't know what that is. Isn't that weird? What is that? Oh, does this thing have a casing on it? Casing. Zero. Suppress. Okay. I don't get that. Maybe I just need to make my doorway opening. Maybe all I need to do is make this. Oh, make that drywall, that opening right there smaller. 73. Floor to top is 73. How about if I make this 60? Oh, check that out. 60. Look at this. This thing's still not working right there. 73, I guess. 73. Isn't that weird that I got this funny thing happening right there and I can't explain that? How about if I do this? I didn't fix it at all, did it? Do I have that same issue over? I don't have it over here. Do I? No. I don't have it over there. But I do have it right there. I can't explain it. But anyway, again, to change this rivet deal, I think you can go into edit, default settings, floor, molding. That's the molding right there that I want to change the material. And I want that to be drywall 1, drywall. And now you, Control Z. Oh, wow, that wasn't good, was it? Oh, I changed the yeah, stupid. Let's try it again. Sorry. Default settings, edit. That molding needs to be drywall, period. Okay. Okay. Done. I don't know what I'm seeing there. I don't know what I'm seeing. Did I make that a mistake again? Hold on. Default settings. Edit. That's that, and that's, that should be, that should be, I painted it. That should be door interior. Oh, I know. I'm looking at it in vector view, I bet. And it's not, if I go back to, that's what's drywall 5? I don't know. What's this? I guess the easiest way to do it is, and I don't know where I'm messing up my setting. I just don't. Yeah, I guess that's one way to quickly fix it. Isn't that weird? F12. Oh, wait a second. Oh, you ninny. Oh, no. Oh, that's the color. Yeah, that's not the right color. It's the right color if I look at it in render view. No, it's not. It still isn't. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, I'm doing something wrong, obviously, and I don't want to figure it out. So that's really kind of a cool little thing that I think Michael, the Alaskan Sun, came up with. I suppose you got this doorway right here. A layer. It's on a window. I guess it's a window. Define, copy, NIP, which is not in plan. Okay. Because maybe I don't want to see that. Maybe I don't want to see that in plan view. That's always the trick in this stuff. Yeah, Windows not in plan. Turn that off and see if I got rid of it. Yep, got rid of it. There you go. And now you can really see, if you look closely, you can see how this drywall stops. A little bit short. And turn on the line weight layers. It is what it is. Oh, is there an extra wall in there? Why didn't that wall go through? I'll just continue on through. Let's see if that fixes it. Oh, it done. Check that out. Isn't that weird? Pull it like this. Are these two separate walls? I mean, why isn't that wall going all the way through? Now it is. Now I bet that thing's fixed over here. There was something screwed up right there. Yeah, now that's fixed. Pull this back down like that. So there's a lot of little things going on there, and I think it's Really kind of cool that Michael came up with a solution. So just remember that these openings, in fact, I probably want this U layer, Windows not in plan. Let's see if that disappears. Yep, there you go. That disappeared too. So you got to put those not into plan. Yeah, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Anyway, that's the end. Thanks, Michael.